Hi guys, here's a quick little video because there's been a lot of exciting stuff going on in Boca Chica, Texas for SpaceX in the last couple of days. First of all, um, last night I think it was, SN7.1 finally blew its top. So SpaceX had been loading it with liquid nitrogen for a couple of hours, finally ruptured as planned, and hopefully it reached the pressure, the bar that they needed to get a good result out of this. I'm sure they did, but we'll have to see. Hopefully Elon will say something about it. But yeah, there's a picture there of the tank afterwards. You can see it. It's just that top of the dome that seems to have split, which is an improvement. It's not the whole vessel that's actually burst open. So yeah, after the good news with the SN7.1 test, here we go. Starship SN8 finally has fins. You can see there, great shot from Nomad 13, a NASA space flight. Follow them on Twitter, of course, shared by Marcus House. But yeah, we're finally fins on a Starship. And as shown on this amazing graphic from Brendan2908, Starship SN8 really is just now waiting for the nose cone stack, which has already been manufactured, and then the forward fins as well, and then it should be ready for that 20-kilometer hop that we've been waiting for. A couple of static fires before then, but with SN7.1 off the pad, it's ready for testing. Oh, and obviously the 3 Raptors to be installed as well first, which will be amazing. First one with 3. And then some other incredible news that's come out. So we can see here in the images as taken by Boca Chica girl, the first sections for the Super Heavy booster prototype. So Super Heavy booster SN1 is now officially in production. So you can see the first rings there as taken by Mary. So I think it's going to need well above 30 rings to be put together, and then I'm not too sure how many Raptor engines Elon's planning to have installed on the first version of this. But that's incredible news. I know he did say that he wanted to get it done by the end of October. Fingers crossed, who knows. We'll probably be a little bit later than that, but definitely exciting things going on. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I know it was a really brief sort of summary of what's happened in the last 24, 48 hours over in Boca Chica. But I'm going to try and put these videos together a little bit more regularly, a little bit more in-depth as well. So if you enjoyed or found it interesting, please drop me a like or subscribe to my channel. Thanks.